Hello everyone, this is Tina, guest market analyst from FPG. Today is the 10th June Tuesday. The US-China trade talks are entering the second day in London. However, a lack of details sparked uncertainties and sent the US dollar slightly lower on Monday, meanwhile lifting gold and Bitcoin prices. Especially Bitcoin has surged since last Friday amid risk-on sentiment. However, both gold and Bitcoin are approaching all-time highs again, potentially facing retreating risks. In the following video, I'm going to talk about the potential market trend of gold and Bitcoin. Let's get started. But first, let's have a look at gold. So gold has a negative correlation with US dollar. Last night, US dollar weakened slightly, which lifted gold prices here. However, right now, gold is still in this retreating trend and is forming a potential triangle pattern here. Same time, MACD now is in the downtrend. We can see here the moving average is moving flat and slightly turning down. So gold's upside momentum actually is fading off from the technical perspective. Stochastic is also going down from the overbought territory. At this moment, the downside bias is greater than the upside. It's likely continue retreating and test the previous low on the 15th May. And the price is around the 100-day moving average, $3,080. However, its long-term uptrend stays intact, and buy the dip remains the trading strategy of gold at this moment. The next one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also moving its long-term ascending trend line. However, recently it's trying to break through the all-time high level. But at this moment, lack of catalyst would remain the bearish factor and cause a profit-taking moment. The resistance will remain on the 111,000 US dollars, which is the all-time high in May. Here is potentially forming a double top pattern. If I zoom out, we can see a bit more clear that here the previous high is lower than the current high, and same time MACD, the previous high is higher than the current high. It is also potentially forming a bearish divergence in Bitcoin prices. In the short term, MACD is moving down, signaling this could be still in the downtrend, and Stochastic is going to enter into an overbought territory. So I think at this price level, the retreating risk remains high and tests the 100-day moving average again. The price would be around 93,000 US dollars. We can also use a Fibonacci retracement, connect the low in September 2024 and the current high, and the price indication is also around this level. Once it's break through the support, the next potential support will be around 50% retracement and the pricing around 85,000 US dollars. But still, in the long term, the uptrend stays intact. So this is today's technical analysis video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.